Let's look at how to pronounce coat and quote. So these are exactly the same, except that the initial sound of quote has the w sound, whereas coat just has the k sound. So they both have the o diphthong, spelled with OA here and just O here. And they both have the t at the end. Thinking of this as quote and coat, that way I can visually see what's different about the two of them. That this one, I need to go from the k to the w sound. So when I'm saying ko, my mouth can already be kind of open for that O, and I'm just lifting the tongue in the back. Ko, coat. When I'm saying quo, I have to start k with my mouth open and then briefly close my lips before the O. Quo, quote. I do know that a lot of people have trouble with the combination of O and W, like woe or woven. That's because the O is already a round shape, but woe opens to that O. W is also a glide. It's basically sometimes called a semi-vowel because it's gliding between two vowel positions. So we're going from the oo position to the position. The oo, my lips are more closed than they are in the O. So thinking of it as ooh for the W sound, and then I go right back from the to the O. Whoa, whoa. So if you make kind of an ooh shape as you're trying to do this from the K, you should feel that your lips are very pursed. Quo, quo. And then that should help you with that combination. So it probably is the W to O combination that's making that difficult for you. And hopefully visualizing this helps you feel the difference between the two. I would also just work on other words with W and O, like wove, woe. Yeah, there aren't too many, fortunately. There's some other quo words, quotation, etc., quota. All of those words might give you some trouble.